Hey guys, so now this is a little bit off topic, but Peter Olsen, I hope that that's the correct way to pronounce it, sent me a message just basically clarifying something I did mention a little bit about, but left it a bit blank in one of my earlier tutorials. Now, it's basically about these characters, the two less than signs, and in the other case there's also greater than signs. Now, I hope I got them in the right order. Basically, what they are is they're known as stream operators, and also in some cases bitwise operators. Now, in particular, these the two less than symbols are known as an insertion operator. Basically, what that means is that it inserts what's on the right side into the left. Now, that can be a little bit hard to understand, but it gets a bit easier when we go onto the CIN variable, not the CIN command. Now, the two greater than signs are extraction operators. Now, in this case, we input a number in CIN, and then it extracts it all the way and then puts it into X. Now that's how we do it. It's not that hard. It's just we're told what's your favorite number, and then it's expecting an input. We're going to input a value, and it's going to pass it through onto X. Now, the reason why it does this is it's sort of, they're called stream operators, or referred to as stream operators, is because they kind of work as a stream, because you could have another one here, let's just say 0, another one here, 2, another one 3, and I don't know if this will actually run, but there we go. But that's what it does. It's basically sends things along a path, and in this case it's going into X. In this case it's going technically from 3 all the way into COUT, but it runs the way that you would expect it to. It's not like you have to enter your favorite number where the 3 is and 3 where the favorite number is. You enter it in the order that you would read it, and C++ and code blocks, they handle that for you. But another thing that I need to mention is that they're just overloaded operators, these double lines. Now, we're not going to go too much into that at all now, so basically just forget that I said that. But if you're doing an assignment or something, or have a quiz, or someone asks you what that means, you can just say they're they're stream operators, and they're just basic they're operators that have been overloaded to work in a certain way. Now, what the greater than signs mean is, if you were to do it, it's like talk to someone in plain English, what it does is it just shifts everything to the left. So it shifts what's on the right side over to the left into the COUT. So then it's outputting what's on the right side. And on the other side of that, it's shifting right. So it's shifting everything on the left side to the right side. So with CIN, it's shifting to the variable that you want to input for a number, or whatever else you're doing. From COUT, it's inserting everything on the other side and just telling it C to display it as we've got it written down. Now, I hope that wasn't confusing to anyone. Send me a comment if it is, and I'll try to help you out with that. And next time we'll move on to something a little more interesting. And, well, I think I'm using this term a little more interesting. I don't know. To me, all this stuff is interesting, so hopefully you guys are the same, but we'll move on to some more stuff that I enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.